chào, Ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel Việt Mông Cooking. My name is Sinh. Today I will show you how to make super simple sandwich but the taste amazing. So I use medium high heat to grill some onion with butter. Today we will use some ham, raw beef, chicken breast and some turkey. So my son loves the bread a little crispy and grilled with butter, light brown, amazing. So here my onion. This one I will use some butter to put in here to grill the bread. So now you can put the bread inside here. Onion smell amazing. So now I put some meat inside. I make the meat a little hot. This one turkey, this one ham, this one raw beef. Basically I just stack the meat on top of each other, so I just make hot. Smell good. This is the onion you look like. Good. We just leave the onion here. Now check on the bread and the meat. So now I will give the bread some mayonnaise. This is really good. You will love it. This is the taste amazing. Some mayonnaise. Now you put some cheese. Let me see if we need extra more butter. Some more butter. We will have amazing sandwich. Now, before overcook the meat, you just put the meat on top of the bread. Let the meat look like this. Good. This is the juicy and yummy sandwich. Now we wait for the bread. Almost there. We put some my real onion on top, and I show you how it looks. So this smell amazing, guys. Cut it up and just enjoy. Cut like this way. Turn up the fire first. You guys can hear. How it look? Hopefully you check this out because this is tastes really yummy. I need to eat now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you love my channel, please support and thumb up for me. Bye. See you next time. Have a good day.